Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're embarking on an epic adventure, a deep dive into the life and work of one of the most influential figures in the world of artificial intelligence, Andrej Karpathy. Think of him as the rock star of AI, the guy behind some of the most groundbreaking innovations of the past decade. We all know him for his mind-bending tutorials that make even the most complex AI concepts accessible to the layperson. The guy who makes learning AI actually, dare I say, fun. We'll trace his amazing journey from his early days. Picture a young, bright-eyed Andrej, already showing immense potential through his pivotal roles at OpenAI and Tesla, right up to his latest project, the truly ambitious Eureka Labs. We're talking about a journey filled with insights, innovation, and a level of passion you rarely see. Ready to uncover what made this man a titan in the AI world? Let's get started. Karpathy's story begins with his co-founding of OpenAI, that revolutionary nonprofit pushing the boundaries of AI research. Imagine the collaborative energy, the brainstorming sessions. This was where the seeds of his genius really started to take flight. Then came his move to Tesla. Can you imagine the allure of working at the forefront of electric vehicle technology, collaborating directly with Elon Musk, one of the biggest names in the industry? It was a power move, a testament to his skill and ambition. And at Tesla, he wasn't just a bystander. He didn't simply manage people. He actually built things. He spearheaded the development of Tesla Autopilot, that impressive system moving us closer to truly autonomous vehicles. Seriously, that's some groundbreaking stuff. This was no ordinary job. It was a chance to shape the future of transportation, and he did it with unparalleled enthusiasm, as you can see in his energetic interviews from that time. He was clearly having the time of his life. But his impact extends far beyond his work at these giant companies. Karpathy is a born educator, a man who genuinely loves sharing knowledge. His legendary Stanford course on deep learning isn't just a course. It's a phenomenon, a testament to his engaging teaching style that has positively touched so many lives. Imagine watching his lectures, clear, concise, and brimming with infectious enthusiasm. They don't just explain concepts, they inspire a true sense of wonder. And his online presence is enormous. Millions of viewers on YouTube have benefited from his crystal-clear explanations, his ability to break down complex concepts into easily digestible pieces, his impact on education, on making AI accessible to more and more people, and how this knowledge has spread, has been nothing short of incredible. Now, let's talk about his recent project, recreating GPT-2 in just over 4 hours. 4 hours. That's insane. Think about the level of expertise he possesses. He practically deconstructs this complex technology with complete ease and demonstrates the power of focused work. Remember, this is one man. Showcasing this is entirely possible for others who just choose to dedicate time doing it this way. It's a demonstration of absolute mastery, a testament to his deep understanding of the underlying principles. It's more than just a hack. It's a masterclass, an inspiring reminder that if you approach it correctly, it's entirely possible to learn and do quite a lot even in only a short period of time. It's a stunning example of the power of focused energy, a gift he has shared with the world. A gift that empowers more and more people to pursue their own deep understanding. Now for the big kahuna, his latest venture, Eureka Labs, an AI native school. This is less of just a course and more of a revolution. Picture a learning environment fully integrated with AI from the ground up, designed to help students learn whatever they want, whenever they want. That's the vision. Can you even imagine what kind of impact that would have? It's designed precisely to provide personalized learning experiences at an unprecedented scale. Personalized education where each student will feel seen, heard, and understood. It's not just about access to education that will also be affordable, but the quality of that education. It's a game changer, a project that has the potential to reshape the entire education landscape, not just for the privileged few but for all. They are not simply aiming for technology. Rather, this is the opportunity to unleash human potential on a scale like never before. The first step in making this vision a reality is LLM 101N. An undergraduate-level course on training your own AI, a course meant to democratize access to cutting-edge technology. Anyone can train their own AI. It's designed to demonstrate AI in use and teach practical skills, using readily available tools and minimizing complicated technical steps. Imagine building your own AI assistant, creating a valuable skill set while understanding many applications of current AI techniques. Imagine making it engaging. Imagine giving the freedom to students to actually learn and build the applications of the technology they are learning about. This is not just another course, an opportunity to get hands-on experience with generative AI and build something remarkable. Its impact goes far beyond just teaching. This is about giving students the opportunity and power to shape their own future. Karpathy's long-term vision for Eureka Labs goes beyond just one course. He envisions a future where AI teaching assistants can work alongside human teachers. Envision each AI assistant acting like a specialized tutor. Imagine a platform that can scale to teach millions of students, personalize courses on a massive scale. But it's not about replacing teachers. It's about enhancing what they do, giving them more time to focus on individual students' needs, to foster meaningful interactions. To be a mentor, this isn't just a technological step. It's a move toward true personalized learning. This is where technology and human connection blend to form a truly empowering learning experience. The potential is monumental. The impact could be transformative. If done right, this will unleash human potential and make learning both enjoyable and truly effective on a global scale. Of course, this isn't without its challenges. There are valid concerns about the cost, accessibility, and potential bias in AI-driven education. Data privacy might become a concern, and the inherent limitations of AI in understanding nuance and emotional intelligence remain. Will bots truly replicate the inspiration and guidance that a human teacher provides? While AI can personalize some aspects of learning, it will struggle to provide the human touch, the empathy, and the adaptive ability that a human teacher brings. How do we ensure creativity and critical thinking remain central to the learning process? These are all vital discussions. These are topics we need to think about. These are problems we need to solve before we can realize this vision. The development of AI teaching assistants calls for careful consideration, open conversations, and transparency to address these potential limitations. Now, let's zoom out for a moment and consider the bigger picture of AI innovation today. We've touched upon Eureka Labs, but there's a whole universe of other exciting developments. Companies like Mistral AI in France are making incredible headway with smaller, more efficient LLMs. DeepSeek from China has shown some stunning results, particularly demonstrating the cost-effectiveness of efficient training techniques that have sparked considerable debate among both academics and top researchers at companies like OpenAI. We've seen many startups showing how even on a limited budget it is possible to develop competitive AI systems. It's a rapidly evolving landscape, a constant race to the cutting edge. So, let's not just be spectators. Let's be participants, let's learn and build together. So there you have it, a glimpse into Andrej Karpathy's exciting AI journey and the future he's helping shape. His story is one of passion, innovation, and a deep commitment to making technology accessible, making technology positive. He's an inspiration, a reminder that even the most ambitious goals can be achieved through hard work, dedication, and a belief in the transformative power of technology. Eureka Labs is more than just a company. It's a statement of purpose. If done correctly and ethically, this kind of endeavor can shape education for the benefit of all humanity and create a brighter future for learners around the world. Now, let's embrace this exciting future and keep learning, building, and innovating together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to All About AI Tech for more insightful content.